agents and that result in a particular price for personal computers, or let's say a Monet painting, are relative to the purposes and interests of the agents involved. Now, that kind of complexity is observer dependent, and for this reason we call it human complexity. Now, to avoid any misunderstanding at this point, the fact that human complexity is ontologically subjective or observer dependent does not mean that it is epistemologically subjective. As Searle states, and he uses different examples, market prices or impressionist paintings are relative to an observer, or better a community of people, but they are not a matter of opinion. The next slide, please, Barbara. The last point requires us to introduce two other important features of human complexity. Complex human systems consist of both human and non-human elements. The market for personal computers is not just a dispersed group of people whose activities generate a particular price equilibrium, but obviously also includes the personal computer itself, its material, technological makeup, the factories that produce the chips, the scientific laboratories that make chip production possible, etc., etc. There is an important tradition in the social sciences that emphasizes this fusion, and perhaps interpenetration would be a better word here, of human and material elements in the constitution of the world we inhabit. Sir Geoffrey Vickers distinguished famously between natural, artifactual and human systems, and the grounds for distinguishing them